Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So this is yours?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a nice box. Who built it?
Sean did, the TCS president.
Yeah. Oh, it's good. Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
It's a Cosmos Audio 3K on a with 2 resonant sound gold 12s. And I don't know what the box specs are other than it's tuned to 33 hertz.
Okay. Nice.
He didn't tell me anything it was.
Yeah. That looks good. I'll get a demo in a little bit.
Alright, man. I'll be here all day.
Appreciate the demo. What was your name again?
Ben.
Ben. Thanks, Ben. What was your name?
Adam.
Adam.
You actually got a video of me on your page.
I remember. Yep. Nice to meet you again. Hey, y'all have fun today. Thanks for the demo.
Yes, sir. When mine gets rebuilt, you want to come check it out.
Sure. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.